got jumping cables. And don't forget, we got a portable gas tank. And look, storage. And if we get stuck out there, we got Boy Scout water. If it's a calm day, we have our own sea foam in a can. And check this out. We got time for a cold one now. It's even got power tilt. Yeah, baby. It doesn't go up. What? Devin, it started working. And she runs like a top. Is the water coming out when I turn it over? Hold on. I think he's right. This ignition sucks. And it runs like a top. Woo! Yeah, baby. I'm so happy. Let's go fishing.